lights, beauties. Have you ever just sat down and just understood who you are? Do you know how great you are? Do you know how amazing you are? And do you know you are migrators, you are evolutionists, you are evolutionists, evil, evil. Hey, Russian, Zulu, Italia, many languages. But now I speak language of you understanding who you are. It's funny. Is it? I don't know. Well, I'm doing that. I show off my outfits. This is what I'm gonna wear. This will be my own book, but it will be like covered and then yeah. Moving on. What if? What if? When you have a home, you build a home in such a way it doesn't restrict you from moving. It becomes your dwelling. It becomes a place where you come and create, make love, do your art, make your babies, whatever it is that makes your soul haba haba hoo ha. What if you did that? And yet, if the tingle gets onto you and says, you gotta go, you don't panic. You don't get scared. You don't get afraid of leaving that dwelling, that home, because everything inside that place that you created can be created even bigger. As you migrate, as you go, as you find yourself, as you travel like a fish, like an airy fish, like a salmon. Yeah, a salmon jumping out of the water into the air. Breathe. So imagine doing that, and you can just pack your suitcase, not even pack, just like, you know what? I'm gonna go somewhere. Do that. That way, if you worry about the children's future and everything, you will stop worrying about that. You will actually be living every moment and every day, every awakening, every sexiness, every haba. You just wake up in the morning, so like, this is me, and I love me, and I'm gonna make love to me today. So, while making love to me, it's twa, 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 twa. Come on now, you can do this. If you don't know how, call me. Ring, ring. Or just get on a broom and let's fly, let's fly, let's fly away. Come, come. Come live here, inside yourself. I love you. That was for me. That was leak, and my lips are dry, so I had to lick myself. Bye. That was also for me, but I'm sharing it with you.